morning and welcome to another beautiful day in sunny Panama City Beach, Florida. My name is Caitlin. I'm with Getaways by PCB Retreats. It's been a while since we've been here to do a premiere video, but today I have my daughter Audrey, who's likely going to chime in with her opinions of this amazing home we're going to be premiering for you. Today we're here at the west end of Panama City Beach at a house that we have named the Sea King. As you can see behind us, the water is right there. It's literally right across the street from the world's most beautiful beaches. So we are going to head inside of this amazing home. It's only a few years old, so it's updated. It's got a nice open floor plan. It is a 2-bed, 2 full bath home, and it is just so amazing. Everything in here is bright and new. We've got granite countertops and stainless steel appliances in the kitchens. We've got a breakfast bar. We do have a dedicated workspace right over there on the other side of the kitchen island. And as I mentioned when we walked in, it's a beautiful open floor plan. This home does sleep 9, and I will take you through the bedrooms here in a moment. We have the dining room with a fireplace, and yes, that does produce heat, so it's a nice romantic setting for a quick getaway. We have a washer and dryer here in the laundry room. And then right off here to the left, we have the first bathroom. This is the guest bath with a walk-in shower and a custom-built bench with the tile. It's absolutely stunning. This whole house is just stunning. And then we have the guest bedroom. In here we have a twin over full with a twin trundle, and we have a normal twin trundle bed. So this room sleeps 6. And through here across the dining room we have the master bedroom, which has a king bed and an attached ensuite. And in the closet we have a twin rollout. Now each bedroom does have its own TV. It's a smart TV and it does have cable. And in here we've got the master ensuite with dual vanities, the matching granite, a separate garden tub, and a walk-in shower. This shower is absolutely amazing from head to toe. It is just phenomenal. Audrey thinks so too. And in the closet we have a twin rollout, so this room does actually sleep 3. We're gonna go out, we're gonna show you an amazing part of this home. Through the French doors we have open right now. The weather is perfect this time of year. It's got a little bit of a crisp breeze, but it's cozy to open up these doors. We have multiple seating areas. We have an outdoor table, we have a hammock, and we do have a nice wicker set of furniture here. Each side has its own TV, and it has a charcoal barbecue for guest use. This home is pet friendly. We know traveling with our furry friends is very important this time of year, really any time of year. So we do welcome pets with a small pet fee. This home is very private. We don't have neighbors next door. And like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, we're right across the street from the beach. We have a nice outdoor shower. You can actually access this from the front of the house. So after you've spent the day at the beach, you can rinse off. Down here, we're going to show you the coolest part of this house is up the stairs. We've got a little rooftop deck that has stunning views of the water. The water looks absolutely incredible today. If it weren't a little chilly, I'd probably go swimming. But as you can see the view as we're headed up the stairs, this is a great spot to enjoy some morning coffee or an evening wine. So right over here to the right, I'm gonna have Misty Pan. You can't see it, I'm sure, in the video, but we do have through these palms the beach access 76. So you're probably 2 minutes to the beach access, 1 minute to being able to put your feet on the sand from there. So this was Sea King. This is our premiere video of one of our newest homes to our program. It's a 2-bed, 2-bath, sleeps 9. We're located at the west end of the beach. If you want to book this home, you can go to PCBretreats.com. My name's Caitlin with Getaways by PCB Retreats. We look forward to hosting you soon.